What an attractive personal brand is.
When you hear personal brand, maybe you think of a nice logo, a flawless profile, or being some kind of perfect character. Forget that, because that is not a personal brand. Your personal brand is what people think and feel about you when you are not in front of them. It is your reputation, your footprint, and the good news is that you already have one, whether you take care of it or not. Today, you are going to learn how to build it so it attracts.
What a personal brand is not, and what it is.
Let us clear up the most common misunderstandings. It is not a logo, some colors, and a pretty feed. It is the feeling and reputation you leave with people. It is not being perfect and showing an idyllic life. It is being authentically you, with your strengths and your shadows. It is not a character you play in order to sell. It is your true self, communicated with intention. It is not something only for celebrities or influencers. It is something anyone can build, including you, starting today.
Why people follow people, not companies.
This is the truth that supports the whole module. Nobody falls in love with a company. We connect with people, with stories, with faces, with emotions. That is why, in network marketing, your prospect does not join the company. They join you, your way of being, and the trust you transmit.
The company gives you the product. Your personal brand gives you the difference.
Think about it. If you only promote your company's logo and catalog, you are just one more among thousands doing the same thing. But your story, your voice, and your way of helping are unique and unrepeatable. That is your advantage.
What makes a brand attractive?
Having a brand is inevitable. Making it attractive is a decision. An attractive personal brand is the one that makes the right people want to come closer to you. And it is built on 3 ingredients: authenticity, being truly yourself. People detect what is fake instantly and move away. What is authentic, on the other hand, creates closeness and trust. Value, contributing something to the life of the person who follows you. Teaching, inspiring, accompanying. An attractive brand gives before it asks. Consistency, being recognizable and steady in your topic, your tone, and your values. Consistency, repeated over time, becomes trust. Authenticity to connect, value to make following you worthwhile, and consistency so people trust you. That is the heart of a brand that attracts.
Attracting also means repelling, and that is okay.
An attractive personal brand works like a magnet. It attracts the right people and, at the same time, repels the ones who do not fit. And that is not a problem. It is a sign that it is working. If you try to be liked by everyone, you do not truly connect with anyone. When you show who you are and what you stand for, your people come closer with more strength.
Real example.
2 distributors, same company. The first one only reposted corporate images and prices, invisible among thousands. The second, Eva, started showing herself, her story as a mother looking for more time, her values, her warm way of explaining things, her real day-to-day life. People stopped seeing just another distributor and started seeing Eva. Today they follow her because of her, and when she recommends something, they trust her. Same product. The difference was her personal brand.
Common mistakes.
Confusing personal brand with aesthetics. A pretty feed with no soul attracts nobody. Hiding behind the company. If people only see the logo, they do not see you, and you are the one they follow. Trying to be perfect. Perfection creates distance. Authenticity brings people closer. Trying to please everyone. The brand that repels nobody also attracts nobody.
Practical advice.
Ask yourself this question today and write it down. When someone finishes looking at my profile, what do I want them to think and feel about me? Write 3 words you would like them to associate with you. For example, close, honest, inspiring. Those 3 words will be the compass of your personal brand from now on. You now know what a personal brand is and why it is your greatest asset. But the big question remains, with thousands of distributors selling the same thing, how do you stand out? In the next lesson, we will see how to differentiate yourself from thousands of distributors and stop being just one more.